Hi, good morning. We are here at Accurate Bearing Components at Dolbalapur, and we are joined by the Managing Director of AB Components, Mr. Nikhill. Hello, sir. How are you
Hello,
doing?
Jan. I'm doing good. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for giving us time to come and meet you today, sir.
Yes. So thank you for having me here.
Very good that we could catch up and meet, and we have done a good almost a year of journey now together, and it's been great working with you as well on this path. And so, when was the first thought that came up to you when you're thinking about seriously considering moving from LDPE to an alternative kind of packaging?
See, Jan, we are in the industrial area, and we are also governed by certain compliances. Rather, we are governed by the Pollution Control Board, and we have seen in recent times. When I say recent time, I would say in the past decade or so, where a 70 micron plastic we were using, which moved on to about 50 and then 120 micron plus plastic. So we saw that there is in the plastic that we are actually procuring, increasing our costs, and at the end of the day, it is adding to the landfills. So that's something had to be really done. So yeah, that's how the thought came across.
Right.
Yeah.
So how did the idea of thinking about moving from to alternatives become a reality, or when was that? What was the eureka kind of a moment for you that you thought, okay, fine, now it's serious time to act on it and move away from the conventional plastics?
Right. We were actively looking for alternatives in the market. We all want to be sustainable at the end of the day. At Accurate Bearing, we have already taken this path. We use solar power for our operations. We do a lot of rainwater harvesting. And packaging was something that was really, bothering us. How do we improve this? We do participate in a couple of trade fairs, and at one such trade fair, we actually had the privilege of coming to your stall and understanding what Phitons is doing. And the one thing that struck me was compostable. Typically, we were looking for solutions that where the plastic is, or whatever material we would want to call it, has zero residue. Right? So that is what really interested us in your product, and we really felt that yes, like you mentioned, that was the eureka moment or the aha moment, and we thought we should take it from here, and it was good.
Right. So you're looking for something which is 100% assimilates into the soil and doesn't leave a trace.
Absolutely. That was what we had in mind. We did look at other players as well, but when we came and spent a lot of time with you understanding what process is being followed at Phitons and how your product is actually serving the sustainable movement, is when we thought, yes, it has to be compostable. It has to add value.
Perfect. Yes, sir. So when you also had a chance to look at our material and understand our material, what was a few things which was non-negotiable for you when you had to look at the switch from the conventional plastic?
Right. So when you speak of non-negotiables, I would say that I have to put it into our product, typically strength. Our products are packed within the LDPE cover, and they cannot come off. So there's a certain strength requirement of the product. There's a certain durability requirement of the product. It cannot tear through the logistics, and by the time it reaches the customer, it should be durable. It should be cost effective, yes, and of course environment friendly. So these are non-negotiables that we were actually looking for, and when compared to LDPE, my requirement was it either meets or is better than LDPE.
Okay. So, and you mentioned that we happened to meet at a expo last year, right? So in the same expo, I guess there were our competitors or some other players as well who were actually there to support on similar packaging solutions. So what stood out when it comes to Phitons for you?
Right. So Jayant, I did look at other alternatives as well. At the trade fair, like you rightly mentioned, There were about, I think about 3 more stalls that were in the sustainable packaging domain. And I did have a word with all of, I think about 2 other companies. They offered a similar solution, but they did not offer a compostable solution. And the compostability coupled with strength is what caught my eye at your stall and your product.
Wow, great. So, sir, during our conversation initially, right, as we were looking for a solution and we did do the audit of the premises and then came up with a solution, we came up with a solution of Earthen DuraPack for you. So, during the trial phase, at what point did you feel that the Earthen DuraPack was not just an experiment, but this is what is an alternative that you're looking for your packaging?
Yes, Jan. Your team had come here and done an initial study to understand our product requirement, based on which is what you have given us. You have given us a solution. Again, we used your product. We did use your product, and it took us, I'm sure you know the timeline, it took us about 90 days, about 3 months to get back to you.
Correct.
What we did during this process was, we did not use our LDP for a couple of components. We packed our components in your product, sent them across our logistics, which are the length and breadth of India.
Okay.
When it reached the customer, we took their feedback.
Right.
When it passed through certain stages in the logistics chain, we took their feedback as well.
Right.
And everyone gave a very positive feedback. There was not a single tear, there was not a single leak, and the entire packing was very intact.
Right.
So we did that level of validation to actually arrive at Earthen DuraPack as the right solution for our products.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Since the switch, sir, have you seen any operational advantage or any kind of transportational side, or how does your team, in fact, react to the changes what's happening?
Yes.
Right.
All right, Jen. So initially the team did not understand. They just thought, the top management has brought some other new product and asking us to use it. What I also did was I asked them to put your product into a pot and just keep observing it. I just told them that just wait and watch. And they were so happy at the end of the entire cycle to see that there was no cover at all in the pot. Right? And today they come up to me and say, "Sir, can we do this in a different way?" So that has actually tickled their minds to start thinking differently. See, sustainability is something that you can drive in, but if it has to percolate through the team, they need to understand what you're doing. So this small experiment that we did at our end really opened everyone's eyes, brought out surprises, brought out happiness. And today they say, "Sir, as part of Team ABC, we are so happy to contribute to the environment, reduce landfills, and make a more sustainable environment."
Great, sir. I'm very happy that you actually did that home compostability test by yourselves.
Yes.
Which actually is a big eye opener for most of the people when they actually look at the results of the experiment that we do at home. That's a great thing, great initiative from your side.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
So, what would be your message to the other manufacturers and your co-working associates around the industrial areas where they want to move to a compostable solutions, but then they feel that moving from LDP to compostable solutions could be that they have to compromise on performance and reliability?
Right. As manufacturers, we do not actively know what's going on out there. Right? It was just a chance that we met at the trade fair.
Right.
We got to know about your product, and we are here today using your product. And I would strongly suggest that all manufacturers open their eyes, not only think of LDP as a solution. We are proof enough that LDP can be replaced. We have used it in our packaging. We have proved out many cycles. And first step is towards an acceptance that LDP is not a solution for everything. The minute manufacturers come to know something is out there, and I'm sure if some of them are seeing this right now, I'm sure Phitons can help them in their journey and create a more environment-friendly packaging solution that's out there.
So you would encourage them to do some experiments and experience themselves?
Yes, of course. It's why not? Why not? We've done it, so you should too. And let's all move together and make this world a better place. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you so much, Jan, for this opportunity to speak our heart out, and we really look forward to building a better and bigger collaboration with Team Phitons.
That's it.
And let's hope you help us make this a better place.
Absolutely, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much for you to actually give us an opportunity to be part of the industrial revolution that we are talking about in terms of moving from a conventional packaging that the industry has always seen to a more compostable and more sustainable packaging that we at Phitons have been thriving to give to the world. And thanks to your collaboration that we are able to do it. And we rest assured that we will come up with better solutions for you and even more better alternatives for the industrial packaging as well. And it's a great pleasure talking to you as well. Thank you.